Well, tomorrow, I've got some showers in the morning. It's going to have minimal impact on your commute. However, I think once we get to midday, we start to get some showers, some downpours. By afternoon, it's downpours and windy. The evening commute on Monday is going to be not very good. It's a little bit better on Tuesday, and Wednesday morning is going to have a challenge to it as well with some wintry mix going on. So here's how warm it's going to get tomorrow. And it's going to take us all day to get there, but you'll see Boston about 54 degrees. You'll look off to the west. Now, this is the area I'm concerned with because we've got almost 2 feet of snow sitting on the ground. We're going to throw 50-degree temperatures in there, and we're going to add about another inch of rain on top of it. So you know what happens. That water is going to go somewhere, and the ground is frozen solid. So it's going to try to make its way toward the storm drains, but many of those are clogged with water. So do keep that in mind, that there's going to be a lot of ponding on the roads tomorrow afternoon, through tomorrow evening, into tomorrow night. And that's where I think I'm most concerned about that snowpack giving way. By the way, with that southerly wind flowing across the snowpack means we're going to have some patchy fog as well, even though the wind is going to be stirring things up. So here's what happens. Tomorrow morning, your morning commute, temperatures are into the 30s and 40s. Should not be any icing issues because we're warming things up, but there'll be a few scattered showers out there. Then about lunchtime, here's where the first of the downpours start coming in. They're going to be downpours as we go through tomorrow afternoon, through tomorrow evening's commute, through tomorrow night. That's why I'm saying 1 to 2 inches of rain seems very likely. So this is tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. Still seeing some downpours. Look at the temperatures. They're well into the 50s at that hour. Temperatures will not drop tomorrow night. Now on Tuesday, it's looking more like hit or miss showers, and the temperatures climbing up to around 60 degrees. But that wind, as I mentioned, is going to be howling. Here's tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. They're not bad, still gusting about 25. Tomorrow afternoon, though, they start gusting 40, 45 miles an hour, and that means we're going to be seeing probably some issues with that as well as the water. All of this lifting up, that's the rainmaker for tomorrow, but the mild air hangs around until Tuesday, and then eventually this front comes through, changes what's rain over to snow, and that's going to happen right during your Wednesday morning commute. And behind it, by the way, comes a shot of really cold air. So you see what happens as we go through Tuesday, not much, but by the time we get to late Tuesday night, here comes the cold air, changes it over to snow, pushes it all the way to the coast on Wednesday morning, right during that morning commute. I think snowfall totals, I would focus right now on the lower end of this range, but certainly there's a possibility we could get a little bit more of it. But generally speaking, about 1 to 3, perhaps with some elevation just a little bit more off to the north and west. So I have made Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday all impact weather days, all because of rain to snow to everything else. By Wednesday afternoon, it starts to improve. And Thursday, the cold air is here. Wind is out of the northwest, only about 32 degrees. Friday is cold and sunny. And the next event coming in next weekend, look what happens. It warms up again, so we're talking about rain into the forecast. Unusual weather this week. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wanta.